Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and I've got a parcel, and this parcel is from Wendy Hickson. The lovely Wendy has sent me a package of goodness by the look of this, so I'm just going to be careful to open it nicely, but whilst I'm doing that, I'd like to say a big thank you to Wendy for taking the time to send something to little old Festa Pops. It does mean a lot that people will take the time to think of me like that. It is very, 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 very muchly, super duper megally appreciated. So let's pop the tape over there and have a looky look. Very well packaged. I think this has come from our friends at E-Models by the look of this. Oh, what? Holy moly. Oh, Wendy. Oh, bless your heart. Look at that, folks. Oh, my God. Let's just move the box out of the way and show you what that is. Oh, my God. She's broke Festa. Holy moly, look at that. Oh my God, it's the Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon. Don't know what to say. Absolutely stunned. Oh, Wendy, bless your heart. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. It is, it's motorcycle porn, isn't it? Look. Oh, and conveniently, the boxes just immediately fell open. How does that happen? Look at this. Oh, oh, oh my God. Look at all the fairings. And it's such an aggressive and angular looking piece of machinery. Look, you got all the chrome and all the bits and bobs. And, oh, Wendy, look at that. Oh my God. Gonna have a massive field day building this. Oh my God. Wow. Absolutely stunned. You got all the instructions there that Captain Grippy Hands is really struggling with. There you go, let's put that there. Look at that. We've got all the masks for the fairings and stuff. Look at that. Carbon decals as well. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm going to have fun building that. I've got some binge building coming up on bikes and cars. So that will be amongst them, Wendy. You are, without doubt, an absolute goddess. I just don't know what to say, folks. Wow. Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon. Courtesy of Wendy Hickson. And she is a superstar. An unbelievable gift. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really am. I am looking forward to building that, and I'll do this as the first build back at the bench after my surgery, Wendy. I'll come back with a bang, darling. And I'll build this and do a nice video series for you on this bad boy. That gives me an opportunity to get me paints all sorted out. And yeah, look at that. I want to do brum brum noises. Rum, rum, rum. Yeah, you know I want to. Unbelievable. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you so much indeed. You have genuinely sort of, yeah, put a lump in my throat. Yeah. Thank you again, darling. Catch up with you all soon. Bye-bye for now. Run, 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 run.